This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. 2-bedroom 1-bath brick ranch home on approximately 0.366-acre lot in Southglenn subdivision in Boiling Springs area of southern Cleveland County. The home is built with an open floor plan. It has carpet and tile flooring. The kitchen has a breakfast bar, a pantry and stainless appliances. Bedroom 1 has a large walk-in closet. The backyard is fenced, making a great place for kids or pets to play. The home has a rocking chair front porch. It also has a large rear deck, which is a great place for entertaining or just relaxing. The single carport has an attached storage room. There is also an extra parking pad. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.